Welcome back to another tutorial for the StarMaker application. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sing or record a duet with another user. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the StarMaker application on your device, and once you are logged into your account, you will end up within the home page. From here, you can directly search for the various different songs to start singing. There are also various different suggestions that you can find, and once you find a song that you are interested in, you can simply tap on the sing button. When you tap on sing, this will take you into the song page. Now, before you start your singing, you have various options at the bottom. By default, the solo mode is selected, which means you will be singing alone. If you wish to sing with someone else, tap on the duet option. Once you tap on duet, you will see various other users that have also recorded or sang this song. To duet with this user, simply tap on the join button, and now the song will be broken into parts with clear indication as to who is supposed to sing which part. You will find your profile icon alongside the part that you are supposed to sing, and this will also appear in a different color than the other user. To start your duet, just tap on the tap to start button, and now you can start singing your duet with the user that you have chosen. Go ahead and complete your song, and then tap on the done button. After this, you can save your progress and proceed with singing more duets to add them to your saved collection. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to sing duets on the StarMaker application. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.